Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F23 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode on this smartphone. Start by opening settings. Now you need to scroll down, tap on display over here, scroll down one more time and choose easy mode. After that, click on the switcher to activate it. Over here you can adjust all of those easy mode settings however you wish to. And as you can see, easy mode is on. If you wish to go back into the standard one, you need to access the same settings in display section over here and tap on the switcher one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!